Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how to draw a slice of cheese in Adobe Illustrator. Don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel. We draw a rectangle with the Rectangle tool. Using the Selection tool, we soften the corners of the object a little. With the help of the Gradient tool, we set the colors and give a gradient consisting of two colors. We will upload the vectors we make in this and all future videos to our Patreon account for our Patreon supporters. You can support us by choosing a monthly package on Patreon by visiting the link in the announcement. After setting the colors, we draw several circles on the rectangle with the Ellipse tool. After placing our circles, we select all the objects and cut them using the Pathfinder tool. Again, using the Ellipse tool, we draw a few more circles and set the color, and our cheese slice vector is ready. This channel continues to operate at the expense of its own resources. Your support is very important to keep the videos coming. You can support by visiting the link in the announcement and choosing a monthly package. For those who want to get this vector for a fee, I will add a link to our Patreon store in the announcement. Supporters can download for free.